This is the Digital Logic Pack, an add-on pack for the Kitronik Inventor's kit for the BBC microbit. The Digital Logic Pack comes with an instruction booklet which takes you through all the instructions and information for building and coding the circuits that will be used throughout the pack. It also comes with 5 logic gate ICs and 2 transistors and 10 male-to-male jumper wires, which will be used in conjunction with the components in the original Inventor's kit for building all the circuits found in the booklet. Each of the digital logic chips comes with a corresponding color-coded sticker. These color codes are then used throughout the instruction booklet to make it really easy to tell which logic chip you need for which experiment. The booklet contains instructions for identifying each of the individual logic gate chips. We're going to show an example now of the AND gate. First, we look for the chip number in the left-hand column, which is this one here, and then we select the correct sticker from the right-hand column, in this case the AND sticker. Make sure that the white dot and cutout end correspond with the cutout section on the chip itself. The booklet that comes with the Digital Logic Pack contains 7 different experiments. The first 5 take you through the basics of a NOT gate, an AND gate, an OR gate, a NAND gate, and an XOR gate. These experiments cover the basic requirements for digital logic at key stage 3. The second section of the booklet contains some more advanced experiments that combine some of the digital logic gates together to form some of the basic building blocks that you'd find in a computer today.